Hey boys, we're gonna try to demodify this without screwing it up. Hopefully. Did we get it? Nope, no, it didn't really. A piece of wire put on it or what?
Quite possible.
Try that. Okay, so we have the solder joint removed from number 5. So whoever was messing with this before, they were also messing with pin 3 and 4. Whoever 3 and 4 did. But pin 5 is definitely clear at the moment. We're going to test her out and make sure she's up. As you can see, she's demodified there now. We're trying to key her up out of band. Notice the TX LED blinks. So, she demodified.
No power.
And she got no RF power whatsoever. Perfect.
See how she's lighting up there now?
Yeah.
So he's right on there at 15.09, right? Yeah, Billy's new radio.
It's radio, eh?
Billy's new radio, yeah.
Billy's new radio, yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, no problem, anytime. I'd be shot.